Quack, quack, and we're back.
Hey guys, Duck here. Have you ever wondered what actually makes a professional level tool? What if I told you there's a way to bypass the circuitry and test multiple issues? What if I told you there's a way to test multiple circuits, multiple components, very easily from the driver's seat? Throughout the years, as my time as being an automotive technician, the difference between a professional tool and a regular old scanner for me was being able to have bidirectional controls, aka active test. What this function does is allow the technician to operate certain components from the driver's seat. This is very valuable to the technician or the DIY. This way, we can save time by not wasting time digging into components that we already can test and prove that are good. Personally, I would much rather sit in the driver's seat and prove a component and circuit integrity to be good versus grabbing a multimeter, the test light, and a wiring diagram and wasting a whole bunch of time when I literally can just grab a professional level tool and do it from the driver's seat. This is the Diag 800 Bluetooth 2. This tool is in between our Top Scan and our Phoenix line. This tool is very capable. I wish that we had these tools back in the day when I was coming up so I could have my own personal, affordable, bidirectional scan tool. I really enjoy this. I will grab this before I grab the Plus unless I am dealing with a very complicated system or a very complicated issue, right? This is very compact, easy, wireless. This is a very big selling point for me. I don't like being strapped to a cord. I don't want to run the cord through the window. I want to just go right to the DLC, scan my car, get my codes, and move on with my life. Back in the day, I had one of these. Not the specific model, but a way earlier version. It retailed for about $600. And this tool is wired, and all I can read is the PCM, SRS, and ABS. This tool retails for about the same price. It's wireless, it reads all of the control modules on the vehicle, performs special functions, performs active test, aka bidirectional scan tool, and it's just pretty. It just works. It fits good in my hand. Touchscreen, very easy, very simple. Nice, sturdy case. I mean, sturdy. So why is bidirectional testing so important for a technician or even the DIY? Well, efficiency, guys. The faster I can fix this car, the faster I can diagnose my issue and get right to the point, the faster I can get back to my life. The reason why active testing and bidirectional tests are so valuable is because I can literally sit in the car, I can activate, let's say for instance, the headlights. If the headlights come on, I just prove several different things. It tells me that the component, the headlight, is operational, so I'm not going to replace that. It tells me that the power is there, the ground is there, and it's getting a command to turn on from somewhere. What are we actually bypassing by using this active test? Maybe it's the switch. So if I can use that test in conjunction with a OE level diagram, then I can kind of navigate to a faster, more efficient solution. So personally, my favorite way to use the bidirectional test is for body control module concerns. So whether it be headlights, door locks, door actuators, you name it, window switches, a plethora of things. Now keep in mind, guys, depending on what the vehicle is, what the year is, what your tool is, you're going to be limited on certain special features and active tests. Not every vehicle is equipped with every active test. And this goes for even OEM scan tools. There's certain tests that I cannot run on a Toyota using TechStream back then, now GTS, save your time. Every vehicle's different, and you're not going to know until you get there. But if I have a way of shortening my diagnostics and saving myself time, and especially money, by not guessing and actually testing my parts, I'm going to do that. Now that we all understand what an active test or a bidirectional scan tool actually means, let's take a look at a few certain tests that I genuinely use on a day-to-day basis in my diagnostic process. Now that we're in the vehicle, I'm going to run you through a few of the bidirectional or active tests that I use on a daily basis. So we're going to use the auto VIN feature. It's so convenient. Okay, we'll select USA and we'll check our build. Everything seems correct. We'll go into our auto scan. For this display, I'm not going to actually do a full health report. I just want to show you guys the active test and how powerful they really are. So, for me personally, I really enjoy using the body control ones. Okay, so I'm going to select the coupe version. Okay, active test. So let's see what we have here. So let's say we try the hazard lamps. Yeah, so that works. Okay, we'll stop that. Let's back out. Now mind you, this is all one run, dude. Let's try our headlights. Boom. For those wearing headphones, I am sorry. Horn works. There is also, let's see, maybe these. That's oddly satisfying, actually. What do we have here? What else can we do? How about this? So this vehicle is actually equipped with automatic trunk release. Okay, listen for the pop. It works. And we will go to the door locks. This is especially valuable. Instead of me pulling off the door panel and wasting all that time and labor, if I can just run a active test and not have to deal with all that and eliminate that from being in the equation, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, door's locked. And then we will hit the unlock switch. Guys, active test is very, very powerful. I haven't even got out of the car yet. I haven't even popped the hood yet. If I can save time just by doing this, it's a game changer. I don't know about you, but I'd much rather eliminate a lot of possibilities and pinpoint exactly what direction I want to go in my diagnostic process. Active tests are very, very powerful, and used correctly can save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Duck signing out. Quack, quack. Say hello to Chris. All right, here we go.